Hey, well today we're going to marinate some thick cut pork chops. And Rick over at Rick's Barbecue and Specialties sent us this pork marinade. This is from SuckleBusters to try. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Ring that bell, like the video, we'd appreciate it, and hang tight. Okay, so this is the SuckleBusters pork marinade, and we're going to take this. As you see, it does 5 to 10 pounds of meat, and we're going to open it up and see. And it comes with a packet of marinade. So let's open it up. This is 16 ounces of water or 1 cup, and we're going to take and cut this open, and we're going to mix it in this water. And that's the whole package. We're going to pour it in. Here I go again. It smells good. We're going to take and mix it up good. Boy, this smells good. And we're going to get it mixed good. Make sure we got none left in the bottom. All right. Okay. So per the instructions, we're going to take a 1 gallon bag, and let's see if we can get. I have 4 of these. Let's see if we can get all 4 of them in this bag. I'm thinking we can. Oh yeah. We're going to get that down in there. All right, let's take and pour our marinade down in there. Let's get it all, and I tell you, I can tell already. Let's put just a little bit of water. That's not much. That's probably not even an ounce. And pour it in there, get the rest of the marinade in there. And let's seal this bag up. And let's mix it up good. Alright. Let's see. Open it up in the middle here. Let's get as much of the air out. There we go. As we can. Make sure we got it sealed good. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let this marinate overnight. And when we get ready to come back and cook it, we'll bring you back. Okay, we've let this go overnight. Let's see what we got. Set these out. We're gonna let them go to room temperature before we head to the fire. And that we're through with. Let's set that aside. Take and just take it, pat him down a little bit. Get some of this excess moisture off of it. Smells good. I think these are gonna be some good chops. Again, we have to thank Brother Rick at Rick's Barbecue and Specialties for sending us this. He's a big SuckleBusters man. And all right, so we're gonna take those. I'm gonna let them sit out for a little bit. They've been in the refrigerator all night. I'm gonna let them warm up a little bit, and after we do that, we'll bring you back and we'll show you how we're gonna season them up. Okay, so the next step on the box is sprinkle your favorite seasoning, then cook immediately. Enjoy. All right. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this little rub that we've used for a long time on pork, and we're gonna give him a good dusting. And this is pretty thick, so we can get him pretty hard. We're gonna get all sides of him. All right, and that gets all sides of that. Now, one more thing that I want to add, and this is a little trick. I'm just going to add, this is Montreal steak seasoning. I'm going to add just a little bit, and this just gives it just a little bit of that something extra in it. With thick chops like this, it, I don't know, seems to just add that bark to it. So we're gonna put just a little bit of that on both sides and let it go. All right, there we have it. That's ready for the grill. Okay. We have hit our temperature. Let me set this down out of the way. We're gonna set these off. That right there. Well, there we go. All right, I'm also going to take this probe. I'm going to put it right into the middle of that piece of meat. And here we go. We'll see. All right. Still got this on. We're going to watch the temperature and regulate that top vent and try to keep it around 250 and see what we get. We'll bring you back. Okay. Well, we've given it about another 10 minutes or so. So let's try these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are done. Okay, so we let this rest for about 10 minutes. That should be plenty. So let's cut into this and see what we got here. It's got a little bit of smoke in it. It's juicy from that brine. Here's the best part. Let's cut a bite and see what we have. Can't make up my mind. Let me try another bite. Folks, this cooked low and slow on that Weber kettle. We kept it around 250 degrees, give or take a couple. It's tender. I knew it was gonna be when it probed out. This marinade is great stuff. I like this pork marinade. Again, I want to thank Rick at Rick's Barbecue and Specialties for sending it to us to try. I'm gonna have to say this is a win. This is good stuff. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit this circle over here. We'll have a video on this side for you. Ring the bell. Hey, if you like it, we sure would appreciate it if you'd give us a thumbs up. Until next time, hang tight.